Morning students, welcome to another session of my class. For those who don't know me, my name is Ms. Mary McCann, and today I have two other colleagues with me who are Ms. Arita Gibson and Sir Neil Dick. Today we will be looking at a new and exciting topic. We will be playing lots of games and doing lots of exercises to make you be familiar with today's topic. Well, I already placed you all in groups of 3. I want you to remain in those groups until the end of today's lesson. As you can see on your desk is a sheet of words associated with today's topic. The first group to unscramble those words correspond on the paper would be the winner and receive a prize. And then we'll take 5 minutes and then unscramble the words. Okay, I see group 1 already got 1 word. Wait. There's group 2 already got 3. Wait. Group 2 looks like they're winning. Come on, group 3. Don't give up. Keep trying. Oh, wait. Group 1 already win. So let's give a round of applause to group 1. And congratulations to group 2 and group 3 for the effort. Group 1, at the end of this class, come to collect your prize, as well as not forgotten group 2 and group 3. You will get something for your effort, okay? Okay, class. The words you guys had to unscramble are simple interest, rate, principle, and time. So class, these are the words you will be hearing a lot in today's topic, simple interest. My other colleague, Ms. Arita Gibson, will tell you what is simple interest and the formula how to go about finding simple interest, and not in the class but our everyday life. Thank you very much. Now I would hand you over to Miss Arita Gibson.
Good morning, students. My name is Miss Arita Gibson. As Miss McCann said, today we'll be looking at simple interest. By the end of today's class, after we have finished doing simple interest, you will be able to define what is simple interest, know how to apply the formula, and also when to use it when given a problem. So let's go into defining what is simple interest. So, have you ever come across the word simple interest? No? Okay, I have a simple definition for you. So simple interest is defined as any money borrowed from the bank or from a money lender, and we have to pay back an amount much bigger than what we borrow. So if we borrow 20,000, we will not be paying back 20,000. We will pay back somewhat higher than 20,000. So the question you would ask yourself when dealing with simple interest is, where do you get money from? You would get money from the bank, yes. Family member, yes, very good. Close friends, yes, very good. And you need to ask yourself the next question: when you borrow money from these places, do they charge you an interest, or you have to pay back the flat sum that you borrow? Yes, that is correct. Yes, you have to pay back an interest. That's what I'm saying, somewhat higher than what you borrowed. So now I'll move into the formula part of solving simple interest. So the formula for solving simple interest is SI equal P times R times T divided by 100. So you might be wondering why I use a short word instead of the long word. So I will give you the meaning of what those word is. So the first word is SI. SI stands for simple interest, or the total amount payable. The next word is P. P is for principal, the starting amount. So that's what you borrowed. The R stands for rate. So the T now is the time. That's how long you get to pay back this money. If they give you 1 year, 2 year, it all depends. Let's take into consideration the question behind me. So we'll put in the simple interest formula. SI equal P times R times T divided by 100. So we don't know what a simple interest is, but we know what the principal, the rate, and the time is. So the principal is 20,000 times the rate is 3, the time is 2 years. Very good. Divided by 100. When we work that out now, we get 120,000 divided by 100. We need to get it more smaller. So when we do that, with 120,000 by 100, we now get 1,200 as our simple interest. Very good. There are some other formula associated with simple interest. Formula to help with those. So the first formula when finding the principal is 100 times SI divided by T times R. That's the formula for finding principal. Next formula for finding time is 100 times simple interest divided by R times P. Very good. And the formula for finding rate is 100 times SI divided by P times T. So behind me it has some example on how we can go about solving to find the principal, the rate, and the time. So look at the example behind me and let's solve it. Do you think you remember what the formula was? Yes, very good. 100 times SI divided by P times R. Very good. So that's the formula we'll be using because the question there, the value that is unknown is the T. That's the yearly amount. So 100 times 450, that's the simple interest, divided by 1500 times 5, which will equal to 45,000 divided by 7,500. Very good. And our answer will be 6 years. Very good. So the next question I have here, can you tell me what is the missing value? Very good. Rate, yes. So the value we have there, we didn't have the simple interest, so we need to do some subtracting to find the simple interest. We have 9,000 subtract 7,000, which will give us 2,000 to find the simple interest. Now substitute it into the equation. 100 times 2,000 divided by 7,000 times 2, which equals to 14.29%. That is our rate. We have one more example to do. Tell me what is the next one. Principal, very good. We have 9 months, but they need the answer in year. So what do we do? What do you think we do, class? Yes, very good. 9 divided by 12 because 12 months in a year. And when we divide that, we get 0.75. So let's put that into the equation. 100 times 11.25 divided by 5 times 0.75, which will equal to $1,125 divided by 3.25. When you work that out, we get 300. So our principal will be $300. So did you understand what today's topic was? Okay, that's great, because now I have some activities for you to do, and since you all understand, then I guess there's no trouble working these activities. So please copy the activities. You have 10 minutes to finish them. I'll come around and check your book when you finish. Okay, Mark, I see you going good. I'm going to sign off your book. Yes, sing. Yes, you mix up the formula. Is instead of SI, you need to put R. But you're going correct. I like how you're going. I like the effort. Terry, yes, you're going good. Very good. Keep up the good work. No, thank you, class, for having me today. It was so much fun. I will now hand you over to my colleague, Sir Neil Dave, who will do a recap of what we have learned and will give you a nice, fun activity. I promise you will enjoy it and you will want to come to maths class every day from now on. Thank you.
Students, thank you, Miss Aretha, and thank you, Miss McKen. And as Miss Aretha had mentioned, and Miss McKen, simple interest is the amount paid on monies borrowed. So I would like to ask I would like to ask you, from all that what Miss Aretha, Miss McKen had mentioned, I'd like one of you to tell me what is the formula for simple interest. Okay, Paul? That is correct. The simple interest formula is SI equal to PRT over 100. Always. Now, can someone tell me how will we find rate? That is correct. So the rate is equal to simple interest. Simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal and time. That's very good. We'll remain in the groups that Miss Aretha has placed you in, and we'll do a game of Jeopardy. This is how the game goes. You will choose a category either from word problem, equation, is vocabulary. You'll choose the amount you want, and the question pops up, you answer. If it's correct, we tell you. So, group 1, vocabulary 100, good. What does the T represent when borrowing the interest owed on the money borrowed? What does the T represent? Well done, group 1. The T represents the time. We will come to the end of this class on simple interest. So do enjoy the remainder of your day. Thank you very much.